Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be sort of restoring and cleaning up this old AirPort router. Let's get started. Right, to do this you'll first need a few things. So first obviously you'll need this, and then I will be using this rag, some general cleaner, and some alcohol. That's pretty much it. I'm not really going to be opening it up. I don't really see a point. But I will be cleaning off the exterior and making it look very nice. Alright, so first step I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray the whole thing down with cleaner, like all over. This thing's pretty gross, and just let it sit there for a few minutes just like that, and we will get back to it in a second. Alright, it has been a few minutes, and I'm just gonna wipe it down with this rag, just kinda scrub at it. Alright, now I'm just gonna, this has a sticker on it from, it looks like an old price tag, and then it has the current price tag on there. I just need to wipe that off, and I will be using alcohol to get that off in a compressed air, or even your breath just works on that. It's not very stuck in there. Alright, and this is the first wipe down. I just wiped it down with cleaner, and now I will move on to the more stubborn spots with alcohol. I'm just gonna wipe a little dab on there like that. And now you just do that again with more. Alright, and you just get some more alcohol on there, and you continue on each of the sides. Just wipe it all down, and all the Ethernet and USB and power. And that's it. You're pretty much done with this. It's probably kind of hard to tell with all the bright on the camera, but this looks a lot better. This looks almost new and should be continuously working. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.